Hi friends, welcome to Forex Trading channel. Friends, in today's video we will talk about technical analysis. Friends, stock market there are two ways to earn money. First is investing, in which we think about earning money in the long term, and second is trading, in which we think about earning money in the short term. We think that to make money from investing, we must know fundamental analysis, and to earn money from trading, we must learn technical analysis. So in today's video, we will talk about the major aspects of technical analysis, that is the strategy to earn money in short term. Friends, stay tuned for more with the video. In technical analysis, first of all, it is very important for you to know the basics of trading. Friends, there are three types of trades in the stock market. First is the instrument in which the market price goes upwards. Second is D/R trade, in which market price goes downwards. Third side, basic trade, in which market price has sideways relief. Friends, after this, when you open the graph in the stock market, you see candles like this, and many people do not know about it. What are these candles and how do they reduce? Friends, the red or green part that you see in the candles is called the body, and its size can be small or big, and the line that you see on top of this body is called the wick. The size can also be small or big. From the green candle, I know that the price is going upward, and from the red candle I know that the price is going downwards. From these candles I know from where the price will open, what happened and where did it close. Our price in the green candle opened from here, and where did the price reach? This is what we have come to know from the wick. After this, the price went down and closed. You will see the opposite of this in the red candle. In the red candle, the price opened from above and closed after going down. If you have understood till this point, then you will learn a lot. Friends, after this comes support and resistance in technical analysis. If you learn this, then you will already know what is going to happen in the market. Friends, for example, take the price of stock which is going upwards rapidly. But after reaching a level, the price get resistance. We will hit resistance. Level is called where the sellers are sitting who want to play the price from below, and support means from where the price does, which does not let the price fall down. The price of the stock is always supported by the resistance which moves inside them. If there is buy chase support and the level of resistance is broken, then we can do it by R1 R2. After this, we should also know how to use some indicators in technical analysis like super trade. Apart from this, there are many other indicators which are important in we will learn in the upcoming videos today. That's all in the video. See you again with a new interesting video. Thanks for watching this video.